Hi, excuse me.
Oh,
What's your
yes,
name?
Hi, I'm Jakob. How's it going?
Hi, can you show me your room in Yugo?
Sure, fine. Well, let's go ahead. So yeah, it's a little bit far away, but I can take you there. Number 12, number 13. Very lucky number 13. So there you go. I've got my fob, and we're in. There you go. Over to the light. And here you go, here is my room. So we walk in, you've got a little bit of a kitchen area right here, my sink, my cereal, and then you go, oh, you can go into the fridge as well. There's nothing too nice in there, but that's all right. And then, yeah, Hugo also gives you a few plates, some cutlery, so I've got that all prepared there. Microwave, which is very useful. I'm a student, I can't cook, so that's very, very useful. And then the sink, obviously. There's a bigger kitchen downstairs, so you can actually cook stuff, but there you go. So yeah, there you go, there's my bed, I sleep on it every day. And then also my kind of curtains. When you take the blinds down, it is completely pitch black at night. I wake up at about 10 AM, it's bright outside, but I can't see anything here, it's pitch black. So that's what I love about this room. Here is my desk. Usually I do my work here. I have my laptop, but that's downstairs because I'm using the study space right now. Obviously charging stuff up. And also, something I love about this room is this light right here. Boop. I can turn off the lights from here. I don't need to go all the way down there to turn off the lights.
That's incredible.
I love it. Yeah, that's that part. And behind you, we've got the bathroom, which is not as glamorous as you may expect. I mean, it's my place. I tried to wash it. There you go. Hey, how's it going? But yeah, I love that it's an ensuite room. Obviously, I'm not doing it justice with putting all my stuff down there, but that's all right. But there you go. I think that's the whole. I obviously have the second mirror right here if you're trying to see what's going on. Hey. But there you go. Yeah, that's my room.
Yeah, thank you so much.
That's all right.